Hello, my name is Armendariz. I play drums for the band the F&Gs. I've been playing drums for about 12 or 13 years now, primarily just drums. I started music when I was in 5th grade. Band, you know, being a trombone player and everything, always wanted to be a percussionist, and then just slowly jumped into it when I was in 7th grade, and ever since then it's just been drums my whole life. So since playing with the F&Gs, I've had the opportunity to hit the road for a couple years now and hit many cities, big cities, small towns. It was great. I got to meet a handful of musicians that personally I still talk to today. We're very great friends. And just the music community on its own is amazing, which is one of the reasons why I personally love Collision Drumsticks, is because they're musician-based, community-oriented. They want to bring everyone together. They want to help each other out with other drummers, other songwriters, musicians, producers, you name it. And that's personally what I love, how they seeked us out to keep a nice group of people working together, a nice group of musicians together. I love their products. They have probably some of the best drumsticks I've ever used. I have broken well over 1,000 pairs in my time of playing. They're beautiful. I love the red arrow. They have a very nice stage appeal, I guess you could say. They have high quality wood. They never split. They seriously just, they last forever. I've had the same pairs probably for about 6 or 7 months. They're just, the customer service is amazing. They want to make sure that you're happy with the product that they gave you. They want to make sure that you're satisfied with everything that you need. And as a company, they're really out there to help musicians. They've offered us countless opportunities, and I'm excited to be able to work with them and be able to be part of the Collision family. But personally, I use the 5AR drumsticks, which are fantastic. They're actually a little bit longer than your standard drumstick for me, which is great because I like to be able to reach a little bit farther, and they're just super sturdy. They're awesome sticks. So Collision brand is amazing company, and I 100% support them. I'm about to play Let the Devil Come Find You from one of our singles released with the F&Gs.
Coffin doors, and alibis a crucial fixture.